All right, so now you guys should be done with watching Intro to Floors, Walls, Custom Floors, Custom Walls. So you're ready to implement this into your existing building. So I'm just going to hit a few things, but mostly I'm going to let you guys take the reins here. Just because this is a lot more complicated than, kind of what I've been showing you. I just want to kind of hit, the the boundary of the floors, is kind of obvious, but there's a few things that I want you guys to get set up for. The first one is you're gonna go around the stairwells. So let me just go ahead and turn on the plan. I'm just flipping it so you can see it. So here are the, try to roll over. There's the boundary of the floors, and you see that I'm skipping around the two stairwells, and then I'm also trying to encapsulate the walls, what will eventually be walls. So it's on the outer edge of the wall. So that's about it. So it's just going to take a bit of time and the care to kind of draw around all of that stuff. But once you do, and I may have gone through this in some video, what you can do is you can then copy that information. So using the copy to clipboard, and let's say that I don't have it. Go ahead and erase it from these guys. So I don't have floors in those. So now I've copied that, and now I can paste, and I can paste to selected levels. So I click on that, and then I can select all the levels I want that to be, pasted up onto. So pretty easy then to replicate, what you've already done. There may be a few things where you would kind of change it up just for a floor. Well, if you have to do that, if there's something particular with level 3, then just delete the other two and then do that one and then copy it up if you need to. As far as walls, you should have at this point, you should be making your various walls so that you have the different types in here. Let's see if I've actually done that in this one yet. Okay, so I have my E1, E2, I, E3, and whatnot. So essentially, you're going to want to have that done. And just to show you kind of examples of each. Maybe I need to throw it on shaded view to actually see anything. So it doesn't look like much. If you need to center around something, what I'm doing right now is hitting this little navigator wheel, and I'm bringing it down. Come on. And you can hit this what's called center. And what that does is allows you to put a pivot point so that when you're, let me get rid of that. When you're orbiting around, it orbits around that pivot point. So that's very useful if you're just trying to kind of gotten lost in all the things that are happening here. Okay, so that's, got brick on that one. If I change it up to concrete, it's pretty simple. Change it up again to 8-inch interior. That just has chipboard on either side. And then 12-inch concrete, it's pretty self-explanatory. 12-inch, same thing, chip on either side. These are really easy to make, so I'll expect you guys to be able to do that. And then use your key, that I've provided in that plan that tells you where to place it. So all the walls have been tagged. You just need to create them with the right one. One correction to the floors. For the first floor, you will need to actually encapsulate the egress stairs on the other side. So I've done it here. And essentially, I'm just coming out to the edge of the wall there, and the same over here. Just because, I mean, obviously it's the ground floor, so that's going to be continuous, from interior to exterior. All right.